we're at Savvy's home. Let's go straight to the debate of Dauphine and Grantham Royal. It's quite confusing, and I wanted to show you this. This is an exactly great example. You know, Savvy's been growing figs for 20 years, and he tells me it's the same, so I know it is. But here is why I trust him. This is the Grantham Royal, right here. He has several in ground, but I wanted to show you this particular tree because it's right next to Dauphine. And he's setting up an air layer right here. He's a massive air layers. Look at that main crop on the Dauphine. So the leaves, oh yeah, sorry, I'm squatting up and down.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to get in here. So look at the leaves. Let's look at the leaves. Grantham Royal and Dauphine. Okay, this is Grantham Royal. Hello, be nice. And this is his Dauphine. It's basically the same. The baby's hand got in the way. My God. So.